Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a sharbat. This is called dry fruit sharbat. Very healthy and very rich. So let's get started. Here I have taken 2 liters of milk. Boil till it reduces to half, till it becomes a little bit thicker. Here I have taken almonds, 1/4 cup. To this I am adding hot milk so that we can grind to smooth paste. Again I am taking 2 ladleful of milk to make custard. I have taken 2 tablespoons of custard. 2 tablespoons is enough to make the sharbat. Mix it in the cool milk, not in the hot milk, otherwise lumps will form. Keep this mixture aside till the milk is reduced to half. Add 1/4 cup of sugar. Add sugar according to your taste, more or less. This is the almond paste. I have grinded to smooth paste. Add this to the milk and mix it up. Mix with the help of the whisk so that it mixes evenly. Now I am adding this custard mixture to the milk. After adding, stir immediately. Now the milk will start to thicken. Milk has started thickening. It's a sharbat, so you have to keep in a liquid form. If you add more custard, it will become thicker. Now I have added the kesar. After adding the kesar, the color will change. This is the right consistency. Now we can serve this milk hot or cool according to your taste. We'll add the nuts while serving.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Add chopped nuts. I have added almonds, chopped almonds and chopped pistachio. You can add any nuts of your choice. This is a very rich drink. Lots of nuts. Very healthy. You can try this in this Ramzan and enjoy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.